All right, boys and girls, you know what today's episode's about. Let's go get it done. Check tools, check. Keys. Ugh. All right, welcome back to another episode of B&T Garage and the 64.5 Mustang. We left off last time with the car starting and it wouldn't move. So I don't know if, well, I do know the transmission is perfect. No Corona. Excuse me. Oh, I do know for a fact that the transmission works because I had it rebuilt. We took it all the way apart. And it had already been rebuilt. The bands were brand new, still had the printing on them. All the seals were brand new, although everything was brand new in that C4. So, there's two things that happened. I didn't put enough fluid in, which I'm pretty sure I put like 7.5, 8 quarts in. Or the rear end is seized up. So we're gonna check that today. We're gonna put the transmission back in and see if we can get the thing driving today. Fingers crossed. It's been a long time on this vehicle. I'm ready to drive it. All right, let's go see what happens. All right. Oh, right in the back of your head. That sucks, dude. Trent just gave himself an owie. Yeah, we're here back at Elyse's place. Kind of just jumped right into it. But the trans is in, drive shaft's in. We're just buttoning up a couple things. Hopefully we're gonna have it started today. Hopefully, fingers crossed. We've only got a few things left to do. Put the exhaust in. The brace on the bottom, tighten up the fan, and I think that's about it. Put the battery back in and wire up the coil. Be ready to start it. So let's get that knocked out and see what we can do. All right, coil's done. Need to wire up the generator. Trent's doing the exhaust. It's kind of being a pain in the ass. It's all jammed up, so we've got to figure out a way to get the pipes put together. Let's get it taken care of, dude. I'd like to. Got the exhaust to go in, and then what do we have left? Battery, fluids, and we're gonna start it up.
Battery, fluids.
It's been fighting us today a little bit. The exhaust is for sure gonna, I know it's gonna fight us. It's gonna suck. You got it? We had to put the trans in twice because, you know, stuff happens. The converter didn't line up with the flex plate. Right? We got it though. It's in. Yep. All right. Wish us luck on the exhaust. Trent says it's gonna go in, no problem, first try.
Oh yeah, easy.
Easy. That's sarcasm if you didn't see it. What?
Test fire.
Well, we got to get the coolant and shit in. Huh?
Oh yeah, there's coolant.
Yeah, we got to put coolant in there, and then we've got to get at least 7 quarts in here before we put the last one in.
Do you want to go ahead and do the overflow tank?
Yeah, we should do that too. Well, I don't have the hose for it, so it doesn't really matter. Unless we've got one laying around somewhere. Yeah, let me get this done. I'm putting in 7 to 8 quarts of ATF type F. Yeah. So we just tried starting it and it wouldn't start. I had told Trent that a wire was from my oil pressure sending unit, and this car actually has an oil pressure sending unit in it, but it doesn't have a gauge for it. So that's actually your ignition wire. Did you know you can't start a car without an ignition wire?
No power to the coil means no start.
So when you have no spark and you haven't wired your coil correctly, you're not going to start your car.
No.
Just thought I'd tell you that. It's fixed now though. It's quite flooded, so we're gonna wait until we have more fuel getting here, and by then it should be good to go. And probably will start. That's my guess. It'll start. Maybe. We'll see.
Hey, how'd that exhaust work out for you?
Oh yeah, the exhaust is in. So we we used our brains. We took off the, let me show you. We took off the panel, and that allowed us to bring the exhaust down. Then we put the front end, and then Trent slid a jack in there, pushed it up, went on. We do have a little bit of an exhaust leak. We'll have to get a clamp around that later, but it'll work for now. And yeah, we're good to go, I think. We thought that maybe the axle was toast, but it's not. And interestingly enough, the C4 guy said to put 7.5 or 8 quarts of ATF type F in here. It got 5.5 and blew out the overflow and everything at the top. So that's an interesting situation there.
So realistically, you probably only got 4 in it because the rest of it's on the ground.
So yeah, there's probably 4.5 in there, maybe 5. A lot of it's on the ground, so it's kind of a shit show, but we're getting through it. We'll figure it out. All right, let me put it in gear. Am I good on that back tire?
No.
All right, we got movement. Well, not now, but we did a second ago. We're just checking the fluid. Go down at all? Add? Okay, so we'll put some more in. That's good. It means it's actually the pump is working. That's good. Going on the ground, boys and girls. Oh! Actually went down. All right, put some fuel in her. We're having to seesaw it back and forth because the jack's not tall enough. Good times.
Come on, Sally, you can do it. I hope you're watching, Dad. Oh my God! This is so great! Holy moly! You look so good! Yay! Everybody look! Oh my gosh! Oh, this is so great! Yay! Let's hope she comes back.
I know, we walked out just in time to see it go by.
Woo woo! Oh God!
Definitely got drum brakes.
Beautiful.
Manual drum brakes at that.
How'd it feel?
Feels like a classic Mustang. It's good. Take your car around the block real quick. Take it easy. It's still breaking in. No hot rodding. I would just take it up there and come back around. We'll see. I just want to make sure it's not leaking anymore. It's been so long. It's a good looking car. Does it remind you of college?
Thank you. Oh yeah, it takes me way back. It's great. I'm so happy. Thank you. So beautiful.
How excited are you, Elyse?
I'm so excited. I don't know.
So, did you already drive it?
Yeah, I already drove it down with that. So excited.
That's a day. That's a wrap. Trent Taylor, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate your help. Elyse, thank you for the help.
Guys, it's been a wondrous day.
Yes.
I waited for this for a long time. We're on the road.
We are driving. Got still a little bit more to go, but we're there. You almost can take it to the ice cream parlor. Almost. Almost take it to Sonic, just not yet.
I'm ready.
All right. Well, that's the day. Until next time, y'all. Deuces.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you.